Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Netflix account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. Now if you're not signed into your account already, you will directly be logged into your account. Now right from the home page, in order to log out, all you need to do is hover over to your account icon at the top right corner and you will be able to find the sign out of Netflix button. Simply click on this button and you will be logged out from your account on Netflix. You will then need to click on the sign in button and enter your email address and password once again if you want to sign back in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign out of your account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.